Hello, travel enthusiasts. Welcome to your go-to channel for travel tips and tricks. Today we're diving into the top 10 do's and don'ts for solo travelers, a comprehensive guide that's as essential as your passport. Whether you're an experienced globetrotter or planning your first solo adventure, these insights will help ensure your travels are both safe and unforgettable. So buckle up and get ready as we explore the top 10 do's and don'ts for solo travelers. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button for more travel tips and tricks. Let's kick things off with the top 5 do's for solo travelers. First on the list is research your destination. Now, we're not talking about just skimming through a travel brochure. We mean really digging deep into the culture, customs, and safety measures of your chosen destination. Picture this. You're in Japan, and you enter someone's home with your shoes on. A major faux pas in Japanese culture. A bit of research beforehand, and you would have known to leave your shoes at the door. So always remember to educate yourself about the local traditions and etiquette. It not only helps you blend in, but also shows respect for the local culture. Next up, stay connected. While the idea of going off the grid might sound enticing, it's crucial to keep your loved ones in the loop about your whereabouts. Regular check-ins not only give them peace of mind, but also ensure help is at hand should an emergency arise. Imagine you're hiking in the Rockies and you twist your ankle. If nobody knows where you are, getting help could turn into a real challenge. So, keep your phone charged, have a backup power source, and update your people regularly. The third do is to pack wisely. It's tempting to pack that extra pair of shoes or that fancy dinner jacket, but remember, you're on your own and you'll be the one lugging around that heavy suitcase. So, pack light, but do pack wisely. Consider the climate and culture of your destination. If you're heading to a conservative country, pack clothing that respects their norms. If it's a tropical destination, don't forget your sunscreen and beachwear. The key is to pack what's essential and leave the rest behind. Moving on, trust your instincts. This doesn't just apply to solo travel, but to life in general. But when you're on your own in a foreign land, it's even more important. If a situation or a person feels off, trust your gut and remove yourself from it. You're in a crowded market in Marrakesh, and someone insists on leading you to their shop. If it doesn't feel right, politely decline and walk away. Your safety comes first, always. And finally, embrace solo exploration. This is the beauty of solo travel. You have the freedom to create your own itinerary, explore at your own pace, and immerse yourself in the local culture. You're in Spain, and you want to spend the entire day at the Prado Museum? Go for it. You fancy a culinary adventure in the back streets of Bangkok? Why not? There's no one to dictate your schedule but you. Remember, solo travel is all about embracing the journey, trusting your instincts, and immersing yourself in new experiences. Now that we've covered the do's, let's dive into the don'ts for solo traveling. Kicking off with the first one, displaying valuables. When you're on the go, it's tempting to flash that shiny new camera or expensive jewelry. But remember, they're not just eye-catching for you. They can attract the wrong kind of attention, making you a potential target for theft. Instead, keep your valuables hidden. Use unobtrusive bags or cases, or better yet, leave those pricey items at home. The less you flash, the less you attract unwanted attention. Moving on to the second, don't sharing too much on social media. We get it, you're having the time of your life and want to share every moment with your friends and followers, but oversharing can compromise your safety. It might be best to keep your location and travel plans offline, or at least delay posting until you've moved on from a location. Third on our list, ignoring local customs. One of the joys of traveling is immersing yourself in a new culture, but this also comes with a responsibility to respect local traditions and customs. So, before you travel, do your homework. Learn about the local etiquette, the do's and don'ts, the traditions and taboos. Not only will this show respect, but it can also prevent you from unintentionally offending someone. The fourth don't, overplanning every detail. It's easy to fall into the trap of wanting to schedule every minute of your trip. But remember, some of the best experiences come from unexpected places. Allow yourself the freedom to explore, to change plans, to discover something new. Leave room for spontaneity. You might find that the unplanned moments become the highlights of your journey. Lastly, Don't isolate yourself. Yes, you're traveling solo, but that doesn't mean you have to be alone all the time. Strike a balance. Engage with locals, join a group tour for a day, make friends at a hostel. These interactions can enrich your travel experience, providing you with unique insights into the local culture. And who knows, you might just make some lifelong friends along the way. So there you have it, the top 5 don'ts for solo traveling. Remember, it's all about balance. Keep your valuables out of sight. Be mindful of what you share online, respect local customs, leave room for spontaneity, and don't forget to interact with people along the way. Keep these don'ts in mind, and you're sure to have a safe and enjoyable solo travel experience. So there we have it, the top 10 do's and don'ts for solo travelers. It's been quite a journey, hasn't it? We've covered everything from the importance of researching your destination to the value of trusting your instincts. Remember, knowledge about local customs, traditions, and safety measures is your most valuable asset. Keep your loved ones in the loop, pack wisely for the climate and culture, and embrace the freedom that comes with solo exploration. On the flip side, we've also discussed what not to do. Avoid displaying valuables that might attract unwanted attention. Limit the information you share on social media. Respect local customs, and don't overplan every detail. And remember, while solo exploration is rewarding, striking a balance with social interactions can enhance your travel experience. These tips are the cornerstone of a successful journey. They are your passport to a world of adventure, offering you the tools to navigate unfamiliar terrain with confidence and grace. Implementing these tips will not only ensure a safe journey, but also enrich your travel experience. So whether you're an experienced solo traveler or preparing for your first solo trip, these guidelines will help you make the most of your journey. Thank you for watching. Remember, knowledge is the key to a safe and enjoyable travel experience. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel tips and tricks. Safe travels.